5 uses an electronic child safety lock system. This is designed to prevent rear occupants from opening the rear door or opening or closing the rear windows. You can turn the feature on or off by using the child safety lock button. Simply press the button and the indicator light will turn on or off. When the indicator is illuminated, the rear window controls will not operate and the rear doors cannot be opened from the inside. It's possible to press the button accidentally. If a rear passenger is unable to open their door, check to see if the feature has been accidentally turned on. There are 3 more important items to know about the feature. First, if the feature is turned on and 3 minutes or more have passed since turning off the vehicle, the indicator will turn off, but the feature will still be active. You will need to restart the vehicle to turn the feature off. Second, if Safe Exit Assist is turned on and the system detects a vehicle approaching from the rear doors will momentarily not be allowed to unlock, even when the feature is turned off. Finally, if the vehicle is in an accident and an airbag is deployed, the feature will turn off automatically, and the rear doors will automatically unlock and can be opened from the inside. For more information on the features of your Hyundai, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and My Hyundai.